Hello, welcome to Lane to Wealth. My name is Claudie, and today we're talking about how to make $1,000 online per month. All right, listen. Most people think making money online is either a scam or something that only influencers can do. But that's not true. If you've been trying to figure out how to make at least $1,000 a month online, but keep running into roadblocks, this video is going to change that for you. Because the real problem, you don't have a strategy. You don't have a strategy, baby. So today I'm giving you a clear step-by-step guide to making $1,000 a month online with no prior experience, no big audience, and no tech skills. I'm talking about real proven ways that you can start today and see results in the next 30 to 60 days. But here's the catch. You've got to stay until the end because the last two methods are the only ones nobody talks about. But they're honestly the easiest ways to hit that first $1,000. So before I tell you what to do, let's talk about what not to do. Because chances are, if you've been trying and still struggling, you're making at least one of these three mistakes. Mistake number one, doing too much at once. I see this all the time. If people start drop shipping, then they try affiliate marketing, then they want to start a YouTube channel. Then they're selling t-shirts on Etsy, all at the same time. And then after a month, they're like, this isn't working. Of course it's not working, sis. You're spreading yourself too thin. The key to making money online, especially when you're just starting, is focus. Focus. So mistake number two, thinking you need to be an expert. Listen, nobody expects you to be the best at something before you even start. You don't need to be a professional writer to sell ebooks. You don't need to be a social media guru to grow a page. You just need to start and learn as you go. The internet rewards action, not perfection. Mistake number three, not treating it like a real business. Making money online isn't a hobby, it's a real business. Even if you're making $1,000 a month, if you treat it like something you try out, you'll make tryout money. But if you treat it like a business, you'll make business money, honey. So this right here, this is where people are making thousands online every month, and most of them are doing it without showing their face, without long content, and without a huge following. Digital products are the easiest ways to get started. And it's something you can launch. It's literally a week if you're serious about it. It takes a week. What kind of digital products? Think simple PDF guides, Notion templates, planners, checklists, or even ebooks. And here's the hack. You don't even have to write them from scratch. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and Canva to design them. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or directly on Instagram through DMs and Stan Store. So y'all, this one is the easiest way to make money. And most people overlook it because they think, I'm not a video editor. But let me tell you right now, brands, coaches, and businesses are paying people to create short, simple reels, TikToks, and YouTube shorts. I'm talking about 3 to 7 seconds videos with just some text overlays. You don't even need to be on camera. So here's how to do it. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, create a gig offering short form video content creation, and charge at least $50 per batch of 5 to 10 videos. You can use CapCut and Canva to edit. And guess what? People will pay you just for adding text to stock videos or repurposing existing content. Okay, so let's talk about affiliate marketing. I know most people think this is oversaturated, but it's not. If you do it the right way, you don't need a huge following. You just need one viral post. Here's what to do. Find a product you like you genuinely like. Amazon, digital courses, or software. Then create a simple, honest video about it. If it's a book, show yourself reading it. If it's a Canva template, show how easy it is to use. Drop your affiliate link in your bio and direct people there. Every time someone buys, you make money. This one, so simple, but most people ignore it. We are already on our phones every single day. You're already going to brunch, walking in the park, shopping, working out. Just record a little piece of it and add text. That's it. No fancy camera, no talking, just capture the moment and post it. Make it genuine. Aesthetic pages and quote pages are blowing up right now. If you start today, in 6 months, your page could be monetized and making money from brands, affiliate links, and even your own products. I just gave you multiple ways to start making $1,000 a month online, even if you have zero experience. Now tell me in the comments which one you're going to try first. And if you need help setting it up, let me know what video I should do next. Make sure you subscribe, because in my next video, I'm breaking down the top high-paying side hustles you can start in 2025. See y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.